Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. The holidays are right around the corner, and so it's time to start thinking about all of those cards that you need to get made so that you can have them ready to go and ready to send out to all of your friends and family. So because I'm always making a ton of Christmas cards, I always am looking for something that is quick and simple and easily duplicatable. So because of that, I can't be doing some card that takes a ton of time, especially now with the baby here. I definitely don't have all that extra time to mess with. So I always want to come up with a good, quick, and simple card, and washi tape is always fabulous for an awesome, quick, and simple card. So this is actually the Sweet Season Specialty Washi Tape that's in the Holiday Mini Catalog. So the awesome thing about this is there's actually 3 pieces with like a foil shine to it. So this one actually has like a copper like stripe to it. Then there's just regular red polka dots. Then there's garden green that has sort of like some greenery, like little like leaves on it, I guess, or pieces you can see. This is gold stars on white, so again it has a little bit of that shine. And then this one is cherry cobbler, and it's sort of like a, I don't know, almost like a plaid look, but it actually has like a silver crisscross pattern in it too. You can see that that is what I used for this card. So you can see how it's got that little bit of extra shine on it, so it makes it super, super fabulous. But this card is so quick and simple. I actually, I made up a whole bunch of these using a lot of the same basic stuff. So what I did, since there's both red and cherry cobbler in here, then I cut all of my garden green card bases. So I used garden green for all of my card bases. And then the only thing that I switched up was I used real red and cherry cobbler for this layer here, which measures 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then of course I used real red and cherry cobbler for this circle here. Otherwise I just kind of mixed and matched each of my washi tapes here. So of course this one you can see I did mostly with the cherry cobbler in garden green. So this one here I'm actually going to use the real red and then those gold stars. So whenever I do this, a lot of times I like to start at a diagonal just because I know I'm not going to be able to get it like perfectly straight up and down on each of them. So I just go ahead and do the diagonal. I also like to start in the middle and work my way out. That way I actually have better spacing going on with my card. Of course, sometimes I feel like the hardest part is just trying to find the end of the washi tape. Does anybody else feel that way with me? And I don't use scissors for washi tape. A lot of times I just like to go with that fun little ripped look. Plus it also makes it super simple to do too. So now we're just going to add a little bit of some of this green here on the ends. And we are all done with our background. And of course you can always mix and match it. You could do red, green, gold, and then do green and gold on the other side. Or you could always do more red or more green. You can always kind of mix and match and play with these. So then for the greeting, I actually just used some punches. I used the Pretty Label punch as well as the 1 3/4 circle punch. So that's where I did that one in real red this time versus the cherry cobbler in this one. And then I stamped all of my greetings in the garden green so that I could use the same one for both my red and my cherry cobbler. So of course it's always best to stamp first so that you can line it up in the middle of your punch there and then punch it out. So now we have that fabulous greeting. So I adhered these two together like that, and then I used Stampin' Dimensionals to put it on my project so that it had a little bit of texture there. Of course, then I layered it all together and added some rhinestones. You could always use whatever Christmas greeting that you would like to use for this. You could also use this same concept for a lot of different cards and, in styles and stuff like birthdays or just winter in general or anything anything like that. I used the Peaceful Noel stamp set, so I actually used that greeting right there. You could also use that one too. As long as it fits in your punch, then you should be all good with that. So here are two simple cards. Of course, I still have to layer this one on and everything, but just the same concept and only mixing up that cherry cobbler and that real red for that quick and simple card. So, you know, only one ink pad and then the two punches, and then of course the washi tape comes with all 5 of those rolls. So that's super fabulous. You can get a lot of different mix and matches in with all of those. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial showing you a quick and simple Christmas card that you could make for this upcoming season. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check those out there. I'll have lots of pictures with different mixes and matches of the washi tape on there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.